Traditional machines come with limitations, wasted energy, poor adaptability, and efficiency losses under varying loads. Variable speed drive technology changes all of that, giving you the flexibility, energy savings, and control that modern industry requires. But to truly unlock VSD's potential, you need the right motor. Permanent magnet motors are the answer. Instead of drawing current through the rotor, they rely on powerful magnets to generate rotation, delivering higher efficiency and lower losses. With our in-house design, IE4 rating, and direct drive configuration, there are no couplings and no transmission losses, just superior efficiency, particularly when regulating speed. The result? Up to 10% energy savings compared to induction motors, and a drivetrain built for long-term reliability. Cooling in VSD application has always been a challenge for induction motors. Shaft-mounted fans can't keep up at low speeds, and temperature increase is inevitable. Our oil-cooled PM motor solves that problem. With an external fan and circulating oil, the motor maintains consistent cooling, stable temperatures, and higher reliability at all times. It's ideal for harsh conditions, offering better thermal stability, increased power density, and consistent performance. Efficient, reliable, built to perform. Our variable speed drive solution with permanent magnet oil cooling is the future of industrial performance, delivering up to 45% energy savings compared to fixed speed and ensuring long motor life. It's the solution modern industry has been waiting for.